Welcome to The Explainer. Let's jump right in because today we are unpacking something absolutely huge in modern medicine. We're looking at how artificial intelligence is stepping up to totally transform early Alzheimer's detection. It's literally changing the game. We're going to see exactly how researchers are leveraging this cutting-edge tech to analyze our brain health in a completely revolutionary way, fundamentally shifting how we tackle one of the absolute toughest conditions in neurology. Now, to really grasp this, picture a totally normal, everyday moment. Say, an older adult just forgetting where they put their keys. We've all been there, right? Or we've watched a loved one do it. Almost all the time, it's harmless. But it does bring up a pretty massive question. What if AI could detect Alzheimer's years before those symptoms become obvious? Like way before those harmless misplaced keys turn into a much bigger concern. That exact crucial window of time, years before the cognitive decline is even undeniable, is exactly what researchers are zeroing in on right now. And that everyday living room moment? Well, that's exactly what researchers are trying to get ahead of in the lab today. Instead of just waiting around for those outward behavioral symptoms to show up, they are actively hunting for microscopic answers. Right this second, scientists are building these insanely sophisticated AI systems designed to look deeper into our biology than the human eye ever could. It's honestly a massive paradigm shift. They're moving the battleground from just managing a disease we can already clearly see to intercepting it way before it even makes its presence known. Okay, so how does this actually work in practice? Well, the whole process breaks down into three really data-driven steps. First off, the AI is fed these absolutely massive data sets of structural brain scans. Think super high-resolution MRIs. Next up, step 2, it cross-references those visual scans with the results of clinical memory and cognitive tests. And by combining all that heavy imaging data with the behavioral performance, it hits step 3, spotting the microscopic early shifts in the brain's patterns. The AI can actually pick up on minute tissue shrinkage or, super subtle structural changes that even an expert human radiologist would probably miss just glancing at an image. It's basically listening for the very first whispers of the condition, long before any obvious real-world symptoms kick in. Now, with all this crazy tech talk, we really need to clear up the dynamic between the AI and the actual medical professionals. Think of AI as the ultimate co-pilot. Its role is to crunch those complex scans, flag those subtle changes, and help doctors make earlier, way more informed decisions based on tons of pattern recognition. But, and I can't stress this enough, it absolutely does not replace the doctor. The physician is still front and center here. They review the AI's analysis, they use it to map out further targeted testing, and ultimately they are the ones making the final medical diagnosis. The AI is really just handing the doctor a high-powered magnifying glass to reveal what used to be completely invisible. When you step back and look at this whole partnership, you kind of have to ask, could AI fundamentally change the future of brain health? I mean, if these systems can reliably flag the silent, hidden markers of Alzheimer's years in advance, giving doctors this huge head start, they can actually intervene sooner. We're talking getting patients into clinical trials earlier, tweaking lifestyle habits, and really giving families time to prepare for what's coming. This proactive approach, it can absolutely be the turning point neurology has been waiting for, flipping our entire medical framework from just reacting to deep prevention. As Future Tech Insider points out, and you should definitely give them a follow for more amazing medical tech stories, by the way, this whole breakthrough leaves us with a pretty provocative thought to chew on. If we can teach artificial intelligence to spot the hidden, silent signs of Alzheimer's buried deep in our brain scans and memory data, what other invisible medical mysteries might AI help doctors solve next? Like, what other conditions are out there leaving subtle little fingerprints that we just need the right algorithm to catch? It's a wild thought for sure. Thanks for hanging out with me on this explainer, and I really hope this leaves you as fascinated by the incredible future of medicine as I am.